Hi, I'm Kurly de Guzman. I am a career and leadership coach. Basically, as a coach, I do one on one group coaching and mentoring sessions, and I support professionals in their careers and also their leadership development. So, one of the things that I was really very impressed with in the CDM program is that it's very well organized. We have our learning portal, we are sent regular reminders, which I think it's just the right amount of reminders. It's very user friendly. All the information that we need are there. I also like very much that our sessions were facilitated by industry experts, those who really have hands on, in depth, and extensive experience in the industry and can readily answer any of the questions that we have. And one other thing that I really enjoyed and honestly wasn't expecting is that there were hands-on activities. We were able to, do something and actually apply what we learned. And of course, I appreciate the support that was given to us in class and even after class, even if we encounter any issues, any tech concerns, etc., they were also properly addressed and acknowledged.